Hi, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. My name is Mitsuko. So today I wanted to do like a really nice glam fall look. It's very easy to recreate, so definitely keep watching if you want to know the details. Today I'm using the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. Okay. And this one is like a good neutral. It's my first time trying anything from Makeup by Mario. This is what the palette looks like. You have one matte and then the rest are just shimmers. So this is the information at the back. I'll just go with the matte, which I'm assuming is BG3. So I'll go with that. And it looks like a really nice rich brown. So it's great for a fall look. Put that on the other part of my eyes. This is cute. I like it. For the eyes, I want to do, I think I'm gonna go for a halo. So we'll just do that. Just need to pack that shade. I mean, this is very pigmented. I'm adding a lot, but this is really good. Just gonna use a clean brush and then just make sure that the my crease is a little bit softer. So right now it's looking harsh. I think I'm gonna do something very simple. I really like this shade. It looks darker in person, which I like. It's like a really nice dark rich brown. I really like this shade. It's really pretty. I'm trying to think like which one should I put on my lid now. Waiting for this just to blend this out. Which one should I put? I think I'm gonna go with this one. It looks really pretty. Let's see. This one is BG1, next one BG2, and then BG3. I think I'm gonna go with the first one. This is really pretty. It's like a really nice yellow gold. Very pretty. Okay, I'll go with that. But first, let me just do the other eye. I'm happy with what it looks like right now. I'm going to put B1 in the middle right here. Just use my finger for that. This is what it looks like. How pretty. Let's see. Yeah, B1 it is. Oh my god, this shade is pretty. It would be nice if there was like another matte in this palette, but B1, yeah, I'd be happy with like 4 mattes and one and one shimmer. Like B1 and then plus 4 mattes, I'd be happy with that. Look how pretty this is. You can't tell me it's not pretty. Like it's not bright enough. I'll just add more. There you go. There you go. I wonder if it's going to be brighter if I just add setting spray, just to see how bright it's gonna get. So setting spray. Ooh, it's looking like gold. Wow. My eyes are done, and for now I'm gonna go back in and then do my bottom lash line, but first I want to do my foundation. So I'm using the Macao. Oh, I'm using the NARS. Which one is this? Soft Matte Complete Foundation in Macao. She's a little bit light, but you know, I can work with that. Okay, so I'm using the Hourglass foundation in Chestnut. So this one. And then I'll just add a little bit of warmth back to my face too. This is to contour. Most of the time to contour you use a cooler tone foundation, but which is what I have here, which is the Bobbi Brown in a foundation stick in Espresso. But this summer I wanted to try a shade that was warmer instead to contour, and I really like what it looks like. So this shade I know is very warm, but I'm gonna blend that with my beauty blender, and it's going to melt into my skin. My foundation obviously didn't match, but you know, your girl got darker this summer and I'm not buying another foundation, so we just have to make it work. So that's that. I'm gonna use a beauty blender and then just blend the contour. Okay, and I'm using the LA Girl. Okay, clean sponge and start blending. And then to really brighten my under eyes, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Velvet Skin Tint, and that's in 4.3. I really like this. This is really good. And then I'll use the Translucent Honey by Laura Mercier just to set that. Okay, and then when I set, I don't bake, I just pack it in, just press it in. My under eyes are hella bright today. It's okay, I can fix that. And then I'll take a clean brush. And so with the clean brush, you just want to dust everything off completely. Okay, then I'll use the MAC Mineralize in Dark and then set the rest of my face with that. And I'm using a really big fluffy brush just because I just want it to be very seamless, so it's okay if it goes a little bit over my the areas I concealed. I am happy with my base, so I want to put I don't think I'm gonna put blush today. I think I'm just gonna bronze. So I haven't used this one in a while. This is the Terracotta Bronzer by Glam. Oh, and then this is in the shade Ebony. So not bronzing, so just, I'm not putting any blush, just bronzing today. So I'm basically done with my base. I'm just going to buff a little bit the outer part. To smoke my bottom lash line, I'm going to use again the matte shade, the only one, and then bring that right under. and then I want to smoke that. I'll use this brush instead to smoke it. I want to do my brows. I'll just do them quickly. Okay, so that is pretty much everything for today. What I did with my lips, I went in with my usual and then I changed my mind. So I went in with the Photo by MAC with the Up to No Good Mademoiselle, and then I felt like it was just too basic. So I put the, which one is this? The Everlasting from Kat Von D. This is Plath. And then it was too red, so I added Namaste from Tarte. So this is the look, and I'm really happy with this eyeshadow palette. This little quad is really cute, and I'm happy I got it. I really like the formula. The matte was my favorite, and then the shimmer is really beautiful. Like, I don't have anything like this. It's a very dark yellow gold, and I really like it. And the cool thing about this eyeshadow quad is that I did this look with only 2 eyeshadows, so you can definitely recreate this. It's pretty easy. And yeah, so that's pretty much everything. Don't forget to let me know what you think down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also, if you have any suggestions, if there's anything you want me to try, any new products, let me know down below in the comments, and then I'll definitely do that. And then again, thanks so much for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.